Today I'm going to be reviewing CEGwisp smelling salts. Why am I a little worried here? If you're an athlete, take it to the next level. This is supposed to give you energy, motivation, and everything for a workout. I'd like to thank CEGwisp for sending this to me to review. Let's go ahead. It says to shake it a little bit. If it's not working, you can add a cap full of water. I'm a little worried here. 2 to 4 inches away from your nose. It's supposed to give you a burst of energy. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this looks like here, everyone. Here we go. Okay, definitely felt it. A unique feeling. Crafted by athletes for athletes. This is what it looks like. It's not very big at all. Pretty cool. Keep away from your kids, though, of course. More time. Gentleness, not. Woo. Okay. So there you go. I guess it does kind of wake you up and get your adrenaline going. That is, yeah, that's very interesting, everyone. This has 4.3 stars. It only has 13 reviews, but people must like it because last month, 1,000 plus of these were sold. I hope the review helps, and I'll see you next time.